Imagine a place where time stands still, where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape. A place where the laws of physics break down. Welcome to the terrifying, mysterious world of black holes. In today's video, we're diving into the heart of the most powerful and puzzling objects in our universe. From how black holes form, to what happens if you fall into one, to the latest scientific theories including wormholes and multiverses, you don't want to miss this. This is Deep Space Unknown. Hit that subscribe button and let's begin. What is a black hole? At its core, a black hole is a region in space where gravity is so strong, nothing, not even light, can escape it. But how does something so extreme come into existence? Most black holes are formed when massive stars, at least 20 times the size of our sun, reach the end of their lives. They explode in a fiery supernova and the remaining core collapses under its own weight. The result? A point of infinite density known as a singularity, surrounded by a boundary called the event horizon. This is the point of no return. Types of black holes. Black holes come in different sizes and types, and no, not all of them are created equally. Stellar black holes. These form from collapsing stars and range 3 to 100 solar masses. Intermediate black holes. These are harder to detect, but might exist in star clusters. Supermassive black holes. These monsters exist at the center of galaxies, including our own Milky Way. They can be millions or even billions of times more massive than the Sun. Primordial black holes? Some scientists believe these tiny black holes might have formed right after the Big Bang. If proven, they could explain dark matter. Anatomy of a black hole. Let's break down what actually makes up a black hole. 1. Singularity. The core. A single point where gravity crushes all matter into infinite density. Physics as we know it stops working. 2. Event horizon. The invisible boundary. Once crossed, nothing can return. Not light, black, not information, not even time itself. 3. Accretion disk. Before falling in, gas and dust spiral around the black hole, heating up to millions of degrees. This disk glows in X-rays, and that's how we spot them. 4. Relativistic jets. Some black holes shoot jets of particles thousands of light years into space. Scientists still aren't sure exactly how. What happens if you fall in? Let's say you're falling into a black hole. What would happen to you? Spoiler, it's not pleasant. From the outside, a distant observer would see you freeze at the event horizon, red shifting into darkness forever. From your perspective, you'd pass through the event horizon in seconds, and depending on the black hole's size, you might get spaghettified, stretched into a long strand of atoms. In a supermassive black hole, the gravitational gradient is so weak at the event horizon, you might survive longer and fall peacefully into the unknown. Time travel and wormholes. Black holes may be more than just cosmic vacuum cleaners. Some physicists, including Einstein and Stephen Hawking, theorize that black holes might connect to other parts of the universe or even other universes through something called a wormhole. Could we use them to travel through space and time? In theory, yes. But surviving the trip? That's another story. Cue clips from Interstellar. Movies often explore this idea, but scientists are still debating whether wormholes exist and if they're stable. Can you escape a black hole? Once inside the event horizon, no, you cannot escape. Not even light. But quantum mechanics might offer a loophole. According to Stephen Hawking, black holes emit tiny amounts of radiation, now called Hawking radiation. Over trillions of years, a black hole could evaporate completely. This raises a mind-bending question. Does information truly disappear in a black hole, or is it somehow preserved in Hawking radiation? This is known as the black hole information paradox, one of the biggest mysteries in modern physics. The first image of a black hole. In 2019, we made history. The Event Horizon Telescope, a network of observatories around the world, captured the first image of a black hole in the galaxy M87. What we saw wasn't the black hole itself, but its glowing accretion disk and the silhouette of the event horizon, a cosmic shadow 55 million light years away. It was a global scientific triumph. Black holes and gravitational waves. In 2015, scientists made a discovery that shook the very fabric of reality, literally. For the first time, we detected gravitational waves, ripples in spacetime caused by two black holes colliding. This was predicted by Einstein a century earlier, but never observed until now. These waves carry the fingerprint of cosmic cataclysms. By studying them, we can hear black holes merging across the universe, billions of light years away. It's a new way of seeing the cosmos, not through light, but through gravity itself. Supermassive black holes at galactic centers. At the heart of nearly every galaxy, including our own Milky Way, lies a supermassive black hole. Ours is called Sagittarius A Star, about 4 million times the mass of the Sun, and yet it's relatively quiet. But in other galaxies, these giants are far more active, consuming matter and ejecting powerful jets of energy. Quasars, the brightest objects in the universe. Powered by supermassive black holes, some shine brighter than entire galaxies. Are these black holes shaping the galaxies around them, or are galaxies creating them? That's still a mystery. Can black holes create new universes? Here's a radical idea. What if every black hole is a portal to a new universe? Some theoretical physicists suggest that when a black hole forms, it could create a new baby universe on the other side of the singularity. In this view, our own universe may have been born from a black hole in a larger parent universe. It's speculative, but it opens up amazing possibilities. A multiverse where black holes are cosmic seeds for new realities. This idea connects black holes, the Big Bang, and quantum physics into one elegant theory, but it's still unproven. Are we living inside a black hole? This may sound crazy, but some scientists have asked, could our entire universe be inside a black hole? According to general relativity, the math allows it. From inside, we see expanding space. From outside, it looks like a black hole. In this theory, the Big Bang wasn't a beginning. It was the collapse of a star in a higher dimensional reality. If true, we might be living in the event horizon of a massive extra-dimensional black hole and not even know it. Just a theory? Yes, but it challenges everything we think we know about reality. How do we study black holes without seeing them? If black holes don't emit light, how do we even know they're there? We can't see them directly, but we can detect their effects. We look for stars orbiting something invisible, X-ray emissions from accretion disks, gravitational lensing where a black hole bends the light behind it. In 2022, we even imaged Sagittarius A Star, our own black hole, using radio waves and supercomputers. It's a cosmic detective story, using the tools of gravity, light, and time itself. Black holes in the future. Today, scientists are using AI as gravitational wave detectors like LIGO and space-based telescopes to detect and study black holes like never before. Could we harness their power? Some scientists believe black holes could be future energy sources, through Hawking radiation or rotational energy. Could black holes help us unlock quantum gravity or a theory of everything? Possibly. They may be the bridge between Einstein's relativity and quantum mechanics. One thing is certain, black holes aren't just cosmic monsters. They may hold the keys to understanding the entire universe. Black holes were once just science fiction. Now they're one of the most studied and still most mysterious objects in the universe. They warp time, defy logic, and may hold the key to unlocking the fabric of existence. Which black hole theory blows your mind the most? Tell us in the comments. We read everyone. If you learned something new today, hit that like button. Subscribe for more space mysteries, and don't forget to share this with someone who loves science. This is Deep Space Unknown, where the universe is just the beginning.